Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing PostgreSQL and its graphical interface, PgAdmin 4, on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Search for PostgreSQL download on Google. Click on the first link leading to postgresql.org/download. Choose Windows as your operating system. Choose the latest PostgreSQL installer. The installer is about 363 megabytes and may take a few minutes to download. Step 2. Install PostgreSQL. Once the download is complete, follow these steps to install PostgreSQL. Locate the downloaded exe file and double-click it. In the Setup wizard, click Next to proceed. Choose the installation path or keep the default. Make sure all four checkboxes are selected: PostgreSQL Server, PgAdmin 4, Stack Builder, Command Line Tools. Click Next. Choose the data storage location or use the default directory. Click Next. Enter and confirm a password for the Postgres superuser. Keep this password safe. You'll need it later. Use the default port 5432 unless you need a custom one. Click Next. Confirm your settings and click Install. Once completed, decide whether to launch Stack Builder for additional tools or click Finish to exit. Stack Builder helps you install additional plugins, drivers, and tools for PostgreSQL. You can skip this step for now and revisit it later if needed. Step 3. Launch PgAdmin 4. Search for PgAdmin 4 in the Start menu and open it. Expand the Servers section on the left. Right-click the PostgreSQL server and select Connect Server. Enter your Postgres credentials if prompted. Step 4. Create a new database. Right-click on Databases and select Create Database. Provide a database name, example FirstDB, and click Save. The new database will now appear under the Databases section. Step 5. Create a table. You can create a table using the PgAdmin GUI or SQL queries. Using the GUI, navigate to your database and expand schemas. Right-click on Tables and select Create Table. Enter a table name and define columns it as integer, name as text. Click Save. Using SQL queries, right-click on your database and select Query Tool. Enter the following SQL query, click Execute or Refresh to run the query. Refresh the Tables section to view your new table. Congratulations! You've successfully installed PostgreSQL and PgAdmin 4 on Windows 10 11. You can now create databases, define tables, and execute queries with ease. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tutorials. Like if you enjoy the content. Check out my playlist for more tips and fix. Thank you for watching.